Hi guys, welcome to Gold Beauty channel. Let us start. Using your joint of the finger, massage your muscle of the head in a circular motion and lifting motion. Muscle of the head are very important to lift up your face naturally. Because muscle of the head in the mouth area are connected. Using your palm and interlace your finger. Massage the top of your head in a lifting motion. This is also a beautiful natural facelift. It's time for Gua Sha. It's better to use an oil on the face before the massage. This massage can be one of the best massages at night because you can get the help of Gua Sha massage after using nourishing night creams to absorb your cream quickly and better. Massage the side of your neck downward slowly. If you need more oil or cream, please apply more because you know it will damage your skin directly. If you're interested in more Gua Sha massage, please check the link from the description down below. Now place your Gua Sha on the side of your mouth corner and slowly massage toward the ear. Using this Gua Sha extract to eliminate frown lines. The best exercise to get rid of crow's claw line. We move more very slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with an angle of 45 degrees upwards. Slowly massage your forehead upward. using zigzag part and massage your scalp anywhere. Relax your face again and massage your face in tapping motion to finish up. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Bye!